Hello everyone, welcome back to Cartitude. Today we have in our studio this BMW 3 Series. Is a full project, full car PPF Xpel Ultimate Plus, G10X ceramic coating for windscreen, windows, wheels, full interior. Every little inch of this car will be fully protected by us. It's a full week project. By the way, who will say we can do a full car PPF in 2 days, 3 days? I don't know how they do it, but we spend 2 days just preparing the paint. To install a full car PPF, we allocate around a full week. This is our standard. Okay, today we start the video a little bit different in the middle of the process, especially to show you the process behind the scene and the hard work that we put to make this car looking perfect on the end when it's nice and shiny and everybody say, oh, this is a brand new car, it's great. But the work and the process step by step till we achieve that result are massive. And this is what I want to show you in this video, step by step, how we do it. On the second bay, we have a Porsche N, is one of our Cartitude Club members that the car was detail protected by us from day one, is on our monthly subscription plan for maintenance, and now today is for 6-month refreshment, exterior, interior, top up the coatings, and the car needs to look back like in the first day when was detailed by us. Let's go to that bay. I will show you this car, I will explain you a little bit more about that process, and then we will come back on the BM to show you the full process. Come on. Okay, like I said before, this Porsche N was detailed and protected by us from the day one. But a lot of customers ask us, okay Claude, now my car is looking impeccable, how I can maintain the car? And just for our existing customers, just for the cars that was detailed and protected by us, we offer the mastery maintenance plan. That means monthly washes and maintenance after 6 months, full refreshment, interior, exterior, top up the coatings to be sure your car will look brand new after 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, whatever, till you sell the car. This is our commitment for our customers, not just one-off service. We're looking for a long-term relation, and we want to be your management fleet. You enjoy driving your car, we will look after your cars to look impeccable all the time. It's not a quick refreshment. There is 2 days, full 2 days working, single stage machine polish on full paint work, top up the coatings with exo hydrophobic coating, full interior detail, top up the coatings, and everything refreshed around. But ta-da, the car is looking again like in the first day when it was detailed and protected by us. Let's go back in this bay and I will start to show you the process of PPF installation, because on this BMW we did some custom kits, we manipulate the kits, we extended the kits to have maximum coverage. Let's go there and watch the process. car is now ready for collection. Was a full week work, but we protect every little corner of this car exterior. The wheels was protected with ceramic coating, inside protection, and on top of the PPF we applied the G-Technique halo ceramic coating for the best protection and hydrophobic coating on the full PPF panels. Car is now ready for collection. Let's see together the end result. And the customer is on the way. He will come now. I cannot wait to see his reaction when he will see the car. We installed PPF on full front headlights, any little trim, bonnet, wings, mirrors. These gloss black trims that 99% of the companies, they miss them. Never, you don't have PPF installation on this. Everything. And we try to manipulate the film to extend and to wrap how much is possible inside for the perfect result and best protection. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to see you soon on our next videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us on social media channels. See you soon, guys.